starting with this little tree.
No. We're going to start with the rocks. So, the first thing you need to do, everybody come sit next to you. Okay, so when we're making a miniature garden, the first thing we need is a pot.
Look, I can't get this rock out. It was in the hole.
Well, okay, you got it out. So you want to plunk that in as your first rock? Mm-hmm. Now, we're going to put a bunch of rocks on the bottom. Second rock. Are we going to do them one at a time?
This rock.
Okay. Plink it in.
It's not even a rock.
Plink, plunk. What is it?
It's a dirt.
Okay. It's a dirt. Well, do you want to just dump all these rocks in there? Yes. Very gently?
Let me dump them.
Okay, so you've got a nice pot to put your garden in.
Wait.
And now you've got some nice rocks.
Wait. Let me...
Do you know what the rocks are for?
Oh, no.
It helps the water drain without the dirt falling out the bottom. So it'll protect the dirt from falling out the bottom. And it'll also, I think, help it drain. Just dump it all in. Okay. We might not need that much, but it won't hurt. Because these are succulents.
Here. Take it.
Okay. So now that's
There's a pink rock and a blue rock.
That's probably too many rocks. I'm going to take some of those.
No, those are colorful rocks.
Oh, well, let's put the colorful rocks. I don't think I got any. Oh, there's a colorful rock. There. We'll put that back in. Okay, the rest are not colorful. Okay, so now we just smooth it all out. Just smooth it out so that it's all about even.
Okay, look. It's all about even.
Is it all about even?
We need to take out this rock. Look, it's so cute.
It is awfully cute. You want to save it for later?
Yeah.
I'll put it back in the bucket.
I want to save it to put in my garden.
Okay.
Because it's so cute. It should be in nature, not inside.
Okay. Well, that sounds lovely.
Okay. Now it's done.
Now it's time to put in some dirt. First we put in rocks, then we put in dirt, and then we put in our plants.
Can we dump it in?
Yeah, we can dump it. We want to make sure we don't have too much because we still need some room for the dirt that the plants come in. Okay? So you want to do that together?
Yes. Take out this rock.
Are we going to save this one for the garden? Okay.
Okay, just one more to save for my garden.
Oh, that's a beautiful one. I really like that one. I'm going to set it out here because it's so pretty. So we can look at it.
I like that one too. Every color. Every color we can find.
Oh, those are pretty rocks. How does all those pretty rocks get in there?
Maybe we'll have to get a new one.
We'll find it later.
I got it. Aren't they all so cute?
Yes, I'm not quite sure where they came from, but they're really cute.
But let's put them in the bucket so they don't get lost.
Okay.
Next one. It's a
pink.
There's a purple one.
Purple.
That's pretty. Okay.
Okay.
Now it's time to dump in the dirt. Wait, let me dump it. Wait.
Oh, that's a lot of dirt.
First, let's get a break from carrying it and.
Oh, good job. Okay, that's probably enough for now.
I think we got a little too much dirt.
Well, we can always add some more if we need to, or we can take some out. I think I got some mulch mixed up in there, so let's pull that out. Yeah.
It needs mulch to stay cool.
Maybe a little bit more. You put in a little bit more?
No, you put it in. Okay. I'm afraid I might put too much.
It's easy to put in too much.
That's a little too much.
I think it'll be okay. And if it's not, we can always take a little bit out.
Let's start with the cactus. Let's put it right here.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to have only 3 plants, so if we put it in the middle, then it's going to look kind of weird. We might want to put them like here, and then we can put cute things in the front, like your dog and cat.
Okay. Now start with, I think this tree. It looks like a little tree.
It does look like a little tree, doesn't it?
It's so cute. That's why I even wanted it, because it looked like a little tree.
So to take it out, I kind of squish the pot so that the roots don't stick to the pot. And then I turn it over like this. Do you want to turn it over like that and catch it? What do I do? I can do the first one, you do the next one?
And you're going to do the cactus.
I will do the cactus. I'm going to get some gloves to do the cactus with. So hold it over the pot so the dirt doesn't go all over everywhere. Okay, good.
Oh, now we'll put it right here.
Yeah, I think we need to dig a little deeper because that's kind of a deep pot.
Yeah, and that's kind of a big plant.
It's kind of a big plant. I think I need to take some more of this dirt out.
I told you.
You were right. I was wrong. Now I feel silly. Silly Grandma. Silly little grandma.
Let's put all the spiky plants away from this little cutie because I don't want it to get hurt with the spiky ones. That goofball. I was right.
Where do you want? Which plant do you want to do next? Do you want to do this succulent here with the spikes, or do you want to do this one?
I want to start with. I want to do this one next because I don't want to get poked with that one.
Yeah, I will do this one.
Okay. I'll do all the other ones.
Okay, so squish the edges.
Look, it will poke.
Yeah, you just have to be careful, but it's not going to hurt you if you're careful. I can get your gloves.
Can you give me my gloves, please?
Yeah, I know where one of your gloves is, but I'm not sure where the other one is.
Wait, I'll just use one hand to hold it.
Okay.
Look, part of my succulent came out at my house. Like it was like this spike right here. This one. Look,
Okay.
this one came out.
That's fine.
That's where it came out.
There.
Of my succulent at my house. My house.
All right, here's your glove. And I can't find the other one, maybe in the laundry. I'm going to go get my gloves so I can touch that without hurting myself.
Didn't feel spiky. Okay, Jen. Whoa!
Whoa! That was pretty exciting.
Here, let me get that. Let's put it right here, right?
Yep, right there.
Okay. Can I have that glove, please?
Well, this is my glove.
Give it! Hey! Give me!
I made it stick out a little bit more of this dirt. I think it's a little too high.
Give me your glove. Give me your glove.
Mhm.
You even got a stick out. Put the stick in the plant, because then it's like another spike.
Okay, now I'm going to put the cactus
Now you
in.
have a brown spike. Look at the brown spike.
What brown spike?
That one.
Oh! Wow, that was not there before. I wonder where that came from.
It grew while you weren't watching.
That is a fast-growing succulent. That's what that is.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm going to do this one very carefully. So I'm going to squeeze it just the way you did, like this, to make sure it's all nice and loose from the pot. Now I have really thick gloves on, so it's going to protect my little hand. Because I don't want to hurt my little hand. And then I'm going to very gently, oops, some of this came out. Let me just put that in like that. Put this dirt in around it, try to tuck it in.
Perfect.
It does look perfect, doesn't it?
Now I'm going to go
I'm
get
gonna
the
put
dog.
a little bit of dirt in the spots in between.
I'm going to go get my...
I'll go get it. You stay here. And
So,
you can tell everybody about these plants.
okay. Now everybody, like Grandma's going to be gone for a second because she'll be busy getting the pot decorations. But let me give you guys a little secret to keep from Grandma, okay? Okay.
You better not keep any secrets, you snapperdoodle.
I'm just joking.
Okay, I'll stay over here so you can tell them your secrets. I'll wait until you're done. If you want to tell everybody a secret, I'll just wait over here and not listen. Okay? Okay, so we should probably water this.
Yeah.
We can put the decorations in and then I'll water it.
Wait, where's the dog and cat?
They're right here.
Okay, let me get them, please.
There you go. There's the dog and cat.
Thank you. Now,
Now I'm going to spread some dirt all around in between the plants.
what?
Uh-oh, sorry.
I was trying to put these between so it could be
Okay,
the
just be
little-
careful you don't touch the cactus.
I'm gonna put it right one facing. Wait, that doggy will be there, and this kitty will be blue. They're talking to each other.
Okay.
See, their heads are turned.
Are they best friends?
Yeah, they talk through their ear.
They talk through their ear. How do they do that?
Hi.
I've heard of people talking out their ear before, but I've never heard it taken quite so literally.
Look at this thing grew.
We sure did. And look what a mess we made.
Yeah, we did.
You made a mess, but that's why we put the towel down, so we can just shake the towel out and then put it in the laundry. And then we don't have a mess anymore.
Wait, do you think if we have any... Wait, there's a plant decoration outside we could use for this.
Oh, what does it look like?
It's a little person with a broken leg.
A person with a broken leg? Where is it?
Well, I'm some sort of plant I want for this one.
Which plant is it in? And I'll go get it.
Can I show you?
Yes, you can show me. Let's
Okay,
go look.
you'll get it out in that, and it's actually a plant with a spider web attached.
You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to water this first, and then we can put that in after we've watered it. All right, I'm going to put this back over here now that it's been watered.
Okay, now I'm gonna pour this tiny bit of water.
Okay.
It was just a little. That's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put it right here. It's like another plant.
It is, isn't it? I'll turn it around so people can see it.
It's another plant we're adding in.
Okay.
We're growing another plant. Now let's go get the other decoration that's outside.
Okay.
Goodbye, everybody. Oh wait. Hugs. Hug.
Oh.
I did that for all the plants and for all the friends, even the mushroom.